Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add border around text in Photopea. Let's get started. See this text 1, 2, 3. I apply first on select text, effect, stroke and stroke color example, stroke size, outside, inside, center. OK, and apply text 2, select text, right click, use rectangle without fill, stroke color black and stroke size, hold control, align middle, press Ctrl Z, and auto select off and see this text 3, right click, convert to shape and click shape, use stroke color, red, stroke size. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like,